Rocked your Ganpati brooch this festive season? But now, as we say goodbye to Bappa, don't let your brooch sit ideal. Just swap the pin for a magnet and there you have it. Now it's a beautiful fridge magnet, keeping the festive vibes alive all year long, from brooch to magnet in seconds. Tag us and share your creative reviews.